Namaste student, myself Javin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic Enzymology and today's session is uncompetitive type inhibition, mixed type inhibition and determination of Ki value. So what is uncompetitive inhibition? In this, inhibitor binds only to the enzyme substrate complex, not to free enzymes. Inhibitor cause structural distortion of the active site. So E catalytically inactive in this, and in this inhibitor cannot be reversed by increasing the substrate, since inhibitor doesn't compete with substrate for the same binding site. In this inhibition of placental alkaline phosphatase regain isoenzyme by phenylalanine. So in this enzyme reversibly bind with enzyme substrate complex and gives out enzyme substrate inhibition complex. So uncompetitive inhibition gives out the enzyme substrate inhibitor complex in which Bmax decreases and Km decreases, and inhibitor has no affinity for free enzyme. So basically enzyme inhibitor is a compound that decreases or diminishes the rate or velocity of an enzyme catalyzed reaction by influencing the binding of substrate and or its turnover number. The inhibitor may be organic or inorganic in nature. Inhibitors example are drugs, antibiotics, toxins, and amine molecules or natural products of enzyme reaction. So this is all about enzyme inhibition and enzyme inhibitor. It had three types: reversible, irreversible, and allosteric. And uncompetitive reaction inhibitor, uncompetitive inhibitor type is comes under reversible reaction type. So this is the overview and the procedure of detailed procedure of uncompetitive inhibition. Hope you like this video. So this video is generated by JVW digital version 2.0, and if you have any kind of query you can write down in comment section. I will resolve it. Thank you.